I don't know whether you noticed, but the weather's quite warm at the moment and a lot of people are after fans, and the only thing that I could find, because there's no fans on stands to be had, nobody's got any stock and nobody knows when they're going to be getting any stock. What I found is a ceiling mounted fan, and this one from Amazon, next day delivery. A little bit more involved than just sticking a fan on a stand, but I think when it's up there, it's going to be up there and it's going to be great. It's got loads and loads of features, remote control even. Lie in bed, switch a fan on and off. Anyway, I'm going to fit this. Let's see how easy it is. So this is where the old ceiling light was, and fortunately it's a straight switch connection. There's no loop back into the switch or anything like that. All I've got to do is connect these cables up. Now, whenever you're working on electrics, you need to isolate the system. That means turning it off at the fuse board and making sure that nobody turns it on again. Nobody wants nasty surprises when they're working with electricity. Okay, so that's not too bad a job. It's always made more difficult by trying to get fixings. If you're going into a concrete ceiling, i.e. you're in a flat, they do an expanding concrete fixing for it in the pack, or you can get raw plugs that go in. In this case, what I did is I got into some laths, but I also backed it up with some bits of timber. So I put some longer screws than the one they supplied and drove straight through that, and it's a bit of a fiddle, but actually got into that bit of timber and then pulled it down tight. That is never going to come off the ceiling. That's the important thing. Don't want it dropping on anybody's head. I particularly like the little chain that you use to hook it up with, so that you can just leave it hanging. You haven't got to fiddle around. The clip was a little bit tight to get into the eye, but I did it. But if it was just a hook, I think it would work as well, quite honestly. Hopefully it'll give the customer a good night's sleep, and then they can pay my bill, which will probably give them nightmares. So if you're into keeping cool, then we're a very cool channel. So check out our very popular My Dear air conditioning video. Very simple to fit, and it'll keep you cool day and night.